Hello friends, Murali Edutech is back with another exciting video. Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council seats of all states. Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly refers to the lower house of the state legislature. Members are directly elected by the people for a term of 5 years. All the states in India have Legislative Assembly. Legislative Council. Legislative Council is the upper house of the state legislature. Members are elected for a term of 6 years by state legislative assembly, local bodies, graduates and teachers, and members nominated by the governors. Only 6 states in India have Legislative Council: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. The number of members should be 1/3 of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly and not be less than 40. Now let's have a look at the number of members of Legislative Assembly and Legislative Councils of each state. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. If you like this presentation, kindly share and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell button for notifications about our future videos.